Hello friends, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of MacProSim. Today we will discuss how the analytics works in the Buy Me app. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest videos.
Today we will discuss the analytics in the Buy Me app. Let's start the discussion about the analytics. Using this option, you can get some statistical data about your website with the Buy Me app. Let's see available options one by one. First, you can see a table with 3 columns. The first column displays the number of remaining add to cart clicks for the current month. The second column contains the total number of add to cart clicks performed by website or store visitors. The third column displays the total potential revenue. It represents the potential figure which you may have earned through the Buy Me app. For more details, please visit the video of statistics on the Sticky Buy Me widgets configuration page. Then you can see a chart of potential revenue. Here, the information displays the potential revenue which you may have earned through the Buy Me app. Here, the app displays the potential revenue arranged date-wise. Also, the app will display the analytics of earned potential revenue by desktop and mobile separately. Also, you can hide the device by click on it. Then you can see a chart of social media performance. Here, the app gives information about the performance on different social media platforms. For example, here I click on the Facebook and Pinterest icons of social media icons of Sticky Buy Me widget. Now, visit the analytics page and see the clicks of Facebook and Pinterest before reloading the page. Now, reload the analytics page. Here, you can see the clicks of Facebook and Pinterest have increased. Here, you can also see the number of clicks performed by each social media platform separately. Also, you can hide the platform by click on it. Then you can see the details of the most recent 10 clicks products. Here, the app gives information about the most recently 10 clicked products. From here, you can also see the device details from which the click was performed, for example, either mobile or desktop. And also, you can see the date and time of click. Then you can see the details of the top 10 products. Here, the app gives information about the top 10 products of your website. From here, you can also see the total figure of how many times the product is added to the cart from the Buy Me button. Then you can see the information about Google Analytics. If your store or site has Google Analytics enabled or installed, clicking on Sticky Buy Me button, Quick Buy on Product Listing button and Sticky Buy Me Cart button will automatically appear in the Behavior, Events, Top Event section of your Google Analytics. No setup required for this. Then the last is Facebook Pixel Tracking. If your store or site has Facebook Pixel enabled or installed, Clicking on Sticky by Me button will automatically be tracked. No setup required for this. The Analytics tab gives you the analytical data of your website, which will help you to identify your strength and weakness and help you to boost sales in this competitive environment.
If you have any questions, then write to us at support@macprosimp.com. Hope this helps. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest videos.